Okay, everybody, so here we are. This is our backyard dog slash food forest. Over here on the entrance, we have banana trees and we have grapes, and you can see even a little sea of baby banana growing. So as we're going to get a big stand of bananas. Over here, we have pollinators. There's a salvia gregii on both sides of the steps, and here's a rosemary, great for cooking. And then there's grass. Now, you know, grass has been villainized over the years. The reason it's been villainized is because it takes water. But you know what? If you have a dog, you have to have a little bit of grass. And likewise, who likes to pick up poop? But if you're, that's a cost of having a dog. So we put a little bit of grass. Here's a consolation. Grass is a carbon sink, so they talk about how much carbon is in the air. Grass actually sucks the carbon out of the atmosphere and it puts it back into the ground where it belongs. Now, this whole thing was going to be grass originally, but we got to talking about food security and how important it is to grow your own. So there's a couple of guava trees here. If it's not a fruit tree, then it's definitely food for something. So this is a native, it's a salvia. Here's a blueberry bush. Here's some citrus and lavender. And one of my favorites of all time, this is Arbutus marina. This is really small, so we're making this YouTube video. At some point, we're going to come back again and we're going to show what this stuff looks like once it starts growing in. There's some California natives, Salvia clevelandii, more lavender, one of my favorites. This is the semi-dwarf donut peach. So the peaches look like a donut. And we put little vegetable gardens all over the place. You can see right there, there's some of the rainbird copper shield drip. A little bit of it's showing. But this whole thing is watered with drip irrigation. You can actually see right there, there's the rainbird drip. And we've got more pollinator food. Here's kale, tiny little sliver of kale. Just to give you an idea, we did a lot of flagstone here, pathway, just to give it a natural look. But this is how it looks like when it's done. And here is this is what's for the dog and for people too. But this is how it's done. You could do it in your backyard too. Mike from Enviroscape LA signing off. Thanks for joining us. Take care.